All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Solana, a price prediction, what's going on with that. We got a launch happening, all kinds of good stuff going on with Solana, and RadioShack is returning as a crypto company. Yeah, you know RadioShack? Technology and stuff like that. Now they're returning as a crypto company. So we got two good subjects to talk about today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Crypto.com is going to be renaming the Staples Center to Crypto.com by the end of the year. So when you're watching the Lakers play basketball, you'll be sitting there at Crypto.com. RadioShack now is rebranding itself as a crypto company. We're going to jump over to that. And of course, our number one subject today, Solana. Let's head over to Solana cryptocurrency. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Solana, number 5th cryptocurrency on the planet, has got 13.3% uptick in the last 7 days. So it's up 13%. Coin is traded at $178. And it's up about 4.5% in the last 24 hours. Going over to the coin market cap, up here to the right, 177.78 cents. Take a look in the last 7 days. 7 days ago, this coin was 153 down here, and then it kind of had a little bump right here. Went up to 163. Then it kind of went back down. But look, it's kind of going back up, 167. Then it went back down to 159. Now over here, we got 188s. 173s, 181. So this coin is right in there, but it way higher than what it was at the beginning of 7 days ago. 7 days ago, 153. That's why we got that high percentage, 17, 18% up. So over here at the Twitter page, Solana, the Solana ecosystem has grown incredibly quickly, faster than any one page can keep up. Introducing the new community-led ecosystem director, Solana Lab. Now users can submit their projects, discover the new ones, and vote their favorites. So you got that going on in Twitter right now. Also right here, Solana's game Mini Royal Nations hit 2 million players after NFT launched. The web-based online shooter is Solana's first multi-game game and has hit a new milestone after activating NFT avatars. So we got 2 million players over here. Take a look at that. Gaming season commences. Checking out the website Solana. I mean, one of their website is just fantastic. I mean, take a look at this. Sometimes we go to websites and they're not as popular or look as nice, but powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Start building. Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps to the world. Transaction per second, 2,900 per second. Total transactions, we got a lot of them going here, 46 billion. The average cost, it's less than a penny, 0.00025. You know, say hello to Solana, learn about Solana, and see what makes it great. Watch the video.
Let me ask you a question. Tired of high fees and slow transactions? So are we. Public blockchains have opened the door for anyone with an internet connection to create and access digital markets. The global financial system has the potential to become more innovative, efficient, and democratized. But there's a problem. Legacy blockchains don't scale, and therefore the crypto apps built on top can't either. As usage has increased, so have the fees and transaction wait times, preventing crypto ecosystems from reaching their full potential. Enter Solana. The Solana blockchain is fast, really fast, and it's low cost, with average fees less than a cent per transaction. What's more, Solana empowers developers to rapidly experiment and deploy apps using composable building blocks, while never dealing with additional friction introduced by sharding or fragmented Layer 2 systems. Lastly, Solana is censorship resistant and scales as its ecosystem grows to billions of users globally, meaning the network will remain open for applications to run freely and transactions will never be stopped. Yes, Solana is truly unstoppable, now and forever. So say goodbye to slow transactions and high fees, and say hello to Solana, where you can build crypto apps that scale today.
So pretty good video right there. Solana. Again, what are the couple big things? The price of it is a lot lower. It's a lot user-friendly. The gas fees are a lot cheaper. They're saying that as these supercomputers in 5 and 10 years happen, that Ethereum and Bitcoin may not be able to run with these supercomputers, but Solana can. So a lot going on with Solana. Hey, let's jump over. We'll come back to our price prediction with Solana in a little bit. Let's jump over to RadioShack. Rename it, getting in the cryptocurrency. What's going on with RadioShack? So here we are. RadioShack returns as a crypto company. The goal is trying to bring cryptocurrency to the mainstream using it as a well-known consumer brand. So RadioShack is trying to, let's see what, has reappeared as a crypto company. All right. The Tech Radar reports RadioShack's website now advertises the company as bringing cryptocurrency to the mainstream by creating new protocols allowing everyone more easily to use decentralized finance, DeFis. In reality, it looks though RadioShack is planning to launch its own radio token and start by focusing on swaps. So there could be a cryptocurrency cryptocurrency, or whatever they're going to name it, which is the basic service to exchange cryptocurrencies and tokens. Available on RadioShack's website, describing the low-hanging fruit, incredible levels of profit available on trading. When RadioShack decided to do that, the partnership with a company called Atlas USV, which offers a universal, decentralized, widely accessible DeFi-based layer, say all that 5 times fast, to build projects on top. But why partner with Atlas? Well, you may remember the RadioShack brand was acquired by Retail e-commerce Venture back in 2020, and it runs by Ta Lopez and Alex Maher. Lopez is also dual behind Atlas, so they control the entire operation. Jumping over here to RadioShack's website. That's right, I'm at RadioShack. Look what it says. Bringing cryptocurrency to the mainstream. RadioShack? LA Staples Center becoming crypto.com. All right, RadioShack, bringing crypto to the mainstream. Our mission is to be the first protocol to bridge the gap between mainstream usage of DeFi. What is RadioShack DeFi? RadioShack is a 100-year-old brand enabled into the global consciousness, and we are going to lead the way for blockchain technology and reach mainstream adoption of other large brands. The challenge: there is real generation gap between the average crypto buyer and the average business decision maker. The demographic difference creates a substantial barrier to crypto adoption. We will bridge between the CEOs who lead the world's corporations and the new world of cryptocurrency. How will we bridge this? Well, RadioShack DeFi will start with a swap. We believe this is the lowest hanging fruit with the full of opportunities. Why are we partnering with Atlas USV? So let's check this out here. So here's the partnership. There you go. Atlas USV protocol is long-term holder, not a reward, short-term provider of liquidity. This gives RadioShack a unique advantage. The liquidity is a long-term or permanent, since the liquidity pool is owned and not rented. It does not have to be diluted to promote growth. Other exchanges' liquidity level than any token pair. Our swap efficiency will be unbeatable for the pair. RadioShack returns as a crypto company. Give us your thoughts. RadioShack, cryptocurrency. Okay, I mean, I've been doing this for a while. Players get all their salaries in Bitcoin. Staples centers get renamed to crypto.com. A store we've been going to for years and years is now in the cryptocurrency. Okay, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Share this with your friends. We're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Let's head back to Solana, do a little price prediction, and RadioShack getting into cryptocurrency. You know, scale for the global adoption. Integrate once, never worry about the scaling again. Solana, between the ecosystem project by maintaining a single global state as a network scales, never deal with a fragment layer 2 system or shared chains. So low cost forever, that's pretty good. Low cost forever, fast forever. Solana is about speed with 400 millisecond block times. I mean, they're saying they're way, way, way faster than Visa and MasterCard by a lot. And the hardware gets faster, so does the network. Solana community, become a validator, discover resources. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Solana is being traded at $178. I think this coin's going to go back up to $200, $225. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. There's so much good stuff going on with Solana. This is one of these cryptocurrencies you invest in for 3 to 5 years. Again, information for educational purposes only. Why we're here, Bitcoin is at 48,600. It's up about 5%. Ethereum's up about 4% in the last 24 hours. It's up to 4,000. Binance Coin is 527. Cardano is up about 3%. XRP is up 12% in the last 7 days. Good some stuff with XRP. We did a video earlier today. Luna is up 45%. Come on. Avalanche is up 45%. $86 and 118. And Polkadot's at number 11. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. All right, everybody. So give us your thoughts on RadioShack, cryptocurrency. Solana, one of the best cryptocurrencies out there. They're talking about, again, in 5 and 10 years when these supercomputers house Bitcoin and Ethereum going to run with these supercomputers, but they're saying Solana is going to be able to do it like that. So Solana could be the wave of the future. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Today's a bonus video today on Tuesday. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.